Toad, what are you doing with that tickle sword? Oh, I'm gonna tickle you guys. Don't you dare, or else we are gonna get help. From who? Well, you know who, Lil'Petey, duh. He's not gonna help you. Come here. Ah! No! No! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! A few moments later. Oh no! We're trapped in the tickle machine. Yep, and now it's time to get tickled. Alright. In 3, 2, 1, and stop right there! Who said that? No games, no more, Toad. What the? Lil'Petey, what are you doing here? Well, I heard what you're gonna do, so it's time for you to pay. Nuh-uh, it's time for you to pay. Hey, where'd it go? Right here. Hey, get back in the machine. Nope, restart a match. What? That's right. Stop it! 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 Alright, in you go. No! Now time for payback. Stop it! Stop it! Get your paws off of me! Stop it! Stop it! Ha ha ha! Time to watch the show. Stop it! Stop it! Ah! No games, Toad. You're grounded for life. And you will go to your room after this match is over. No!